and my name is Pillow Featherbed, as most of you know. And today I'll be teaching you how to cook pancakes. Are you ready? Let's start. Let me just go get the pan. Hello. And hello again. Ew! Oh, that's down. Hold on. There we go. Now, before we put it to 57, we need to pour some water. We need to put some flour. And now, two eggs. And some milk. Czekaj, no możesz sobie prawić. There. Hold on. Let me put this. Yeah. There. Hold on, let me throw it away. Ah! Now. Okay. Now let's set the oven, the thingy to 67. There we go. Just good enough. There. And now you wait 36 minutes and it will be ready. Ding! 36 minutes later. Oh, I think it's ready. There. Now you have a delicious plate. Well, it'll be a plate when I put it. Now you have a delicious plate of pancakes. Nom 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 nom. And for good luck, you can take cookies if you want to sprinkle them on the pancake. And you can take a good glass of milk. And that's all you need to make a wonderful breakfast. See you next time on Pillow Featherbed's Cooking Crazy. Bye!